Hello Divi fans. In this video, I'm going to go over a new feature that was recently made available on Divi 5, which is interactions. Now here's a pop-up that I made. I might release another video tutorial where I go into detail on how to create a pop-up like this in Divi 5. There are many videos on YouTube about how to create a pop-up. The way I created this pop-up is a little different than what is described in the videos. I didn't use any fancy plugins, or there wasn't really any code I used. In Divi 5, I was allowed to basically create this pop-up using just simple modules and the new interaction feature. So the interaction feature, this section here, I have a pop-up interaction. So when the user, the client-side user, opens up this web page, they enter the viewport of this top section here. So if I preview this, the client has entered the viewport of this section here. And then as a result, the pop-up section, which is another section, appears and it fades in using animation. Also, this close button here also uses another interaction. The close button here, interaction, pop-up close. So the trigger event is a click and toggle visibility. The target module is the pop-up. So when you click the close button here, it toggles the visibility on this section, which contains this pop-up, and then it makes this pop-up section disappear from the page. It makes it hidden. This is a very interesting feature. The video on interactions from Elegant Themes also goes over other interactions, for example, images where if you hover the mouse pointer over an image, it can tilt the image in different directions, rotate the image. There are many videos on this channel about the many different new features that Divi 5 has released that show great potential to make web design using Divi 5 much more efficient compared to Divi 4. Also, compared to Divi 4, the performance is significantly better. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Like the video, share the video, leave comments below the video, and subscribe to the channel.